How to fix lag on your PC. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you some informations about how to fix the lag on your PC easy and fast. So you don't need to delete anything, just keep watching. First thing you have to do, this is my home page, so all what you have to do is just go down here and click on this little option to see the hidden icons. And here, as you can see, I have many options. Now all what you have to do is click on your right mouse and make sure to exit all the icons that you are not working in. For example, this one you can, this one right here, you can click exit, and also this one, this is the Google Chrome. If you are not working on it, just click exit, because this is the reason why your PC is lagging. And yeah, you have also another option is to click on Control Alt and delete, and then go to the task manager, this one right here. You will be able to turn off any app you don't work in. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.